Hi guys, today we are going to shoot It's a beauty routine using Meher skincare products. So let's get started. Let me apply my primer first. So I am not very good at speaking on the video, so please avoid my awkward silences. Then I am applying the tint, which apparently is no more. Okay, I'll start with my tint. This is the only you need to brighten your face, and so this is how much you need if you are a pure blush person, because it's highly pigmented. As you can see, like the pigment come out really bright on it, but if you have dusky tone or yellow undertones, you might need to apply more than this, so to get the shade out of it. So this is water based. You can always layer it up in multiple rounds as much as you want for your cheeks to look red, and it's not going to block your skin pores or anything because it's very lightweight. So you can simply add the tint wherever you want more color, mix it up, and then leave it up for drying. If you keep mixing it, the color goes away. It's water based, so just leave where you want the color, pat it up, let it dry, and then you'll see the shade comes out really good. I'm going to apply it once more to show people how dark it can actually get if I want to make it more dark. So I'm going to do it on one cheek here. Okay, now I'm not mixing it because I want to show you how dark the color can go if you layer it up. So I'm just dabbing it so it can easily dry up. This is the shade that I have put on, and this is how dark it can go. All you have to do is give it some time so it can dry down. Okay, now I'm looking like, okay, it's looking really odd from distance. See the color now. As I said before, it's water based, so you don't have to worry about it going into your mouth. Don't eat it, but still. Okay, this is the tint you get when you apply it on lips. Same theory goes that if you want to darken it, just apply more layers of it and let it dry down. So this is a lip oil. This is the sample version, so it does not have my logo on it. But if you have bought it, you will see that the shades and the oils separate if you keep it straight. So mix it up. Everything mixes up really good. Then take your brush, and I'm only going to apply it to the face so you can see the difference. Look at this. This is minty, and it's based on peppermint oil, which is pure extract. And because of it, if you have thin lips, your lips will feel a little bit of tingling, and then they'll plump up after a few minutes. Okay, it's dried down and it's not coming off now. So although it's water based, you can blend it to lighten the shade. You can layer it up to get more color see through, but it won't wipe off once it's dried, so it does not goes away with the sweat. Let me show it to you from here. And this is when I've not applied any fixer on my face, and once I apply the fixer, it's completely locked in, so you can use it for any kind of event that you want. I'm looking like a joker, but please, this was only for representation purposes. And then this comes off, but the tint is still there. Okay, wiped off my oil completely. The tint is still here. Bye bye.